Using our reference guide on the sheet or online, we found out that we needed to place a mark here and a mark here in order to drill a hole through. This is going to be where we're going to attach this to our base plate. Okay. On our fingerboard, we just simply drew an X. We went from corner, drew a line, went to the other corner, drew a line. That should be the center of the board. We're going to drill a hole. The drill bit that we're using right here is going to be a 9/64 bit. And what we're going to do, make sure there's a piece of scrap put underneath this. We're just going to drill slowly through that hole, and you'll see the white plastic start to chip away. Don't drill too quickly. Notice that I am going to hold this with my fingers. You do not need to clamp this down.